Zuckerberg's working on a knockoff to Clubhouse.
You can't sit on Clubhouse all day long. The only people sitting on Clubhouse are people that are selling stuff. I mean, I don't dislike it, but I hear Grant Cardone on it. Get your money right. Send me money. My name is Grant Cardone. I want you to send me money, and I'll get your money right by you sending money. 10x. 10x everything.
10x.
10x. I love the book, man. Grant, when I was down and out, I read that book after 2008. Really helped me. Love the book. But eventually, I'm working to give Grant money. He's a good salesman.
Yeah. Sign
up for this and this virtual thing, and he helps a lot of people. I like his book. But you shouldn't have blocked me, Grant.
He blocked me. What a f***ing loser.
That $100 million isn't coming your way, buddy. I'm not putting $100 million in your real estate. Now that I can put it in my own real estate. Not going to happen, Grant Cardone. Anyways.